It's the Big Sam Studio.
Thanks so much for stopping in. Finish this monkey off. Think it came out awesome. I'm gonna sell it for $50 on my website. I'm gonna upload it up on my website. Go over to my Instagram, Big Sam's Paints, and you'll see it there to get more information. I'm also on Friday. We're giving this painting away. You can still drop your name in the comments on the Instagram if you want to join the giveaway. This is gonna be going out tomorrow. And that's all I got for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Comment down below as well what you thought about this video, about the painting. A lot more to come. Let's build this community together. Thanks for stopping in and subscribing to the Big Sam Studio.